So we've finished sanding the floor up to a standard that we're happy with. Now obviously the floor needs to be hoovered, and unfortunately I do need to demonstrate it. It needs to be done slowly, methodically and thoroughly. Unfortunately, with like my various trainees over the years, I just have to keep showing them again and again and getting them to slow down and pay attention to where they've been, so that they hoover the whole floor. But here we go. So after we've hoovered the floor, again, something that in the UK is not practiced enough is tack mopping. So tack mopping is using it's almost like a feather duster tack mop, felt pad to, I mean you can get them in felt pads, this is obviously not a felt pad, but you'd be amazed how much the hoover doesn't take up, and you can really make a big difference just by going over it with this. So that's clean roughly. I mean this one's a bit old, I need to replace this, but I'll demonstrate just how much dust you can pull up even after hoovering. So just go around the body like that, around the edges. And then I keep snow ploughing it towards me like this, so that any dust that does fall out the sides falls out the side closer to me. So I'm just taking it across the floor here like this. So as you can see, there's quite a lot of dust on there, which would now be in the finish if we hadn't done it. So it's always worth doing. If you really wanted to go crazy with it, you can do it several times, or you can wait until you can wait half an hour until the dust is completely settled, and then you can do it a final time. But for this demonstration, I think that's enough. So that's it for the hoovering and tack mopping.